Whoopie-doo. So, like you see on this side, brand new trailing arm as well. So we got sway bar end link on, the strut on. He already done in the trunk, everything buttoned back up. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm Easy E. If you can see from the thumbnail, I told y'all, my brother from another mother, gonna be having parts trickling in. He ordered parts a little bit at a time. Every time he drive his car, a week later he ordered something different. He said he's gonna get this car back like the white Monte Carlo was, with all brand new parts eventually, because it is what it is. But I already did some work to this car off camera. We replaced the rear trailing arms because I was up in the car and I seen that the rear trailing arms were bent. He seen the other one was bent. He like, why you changing one? You might well change both of them. So I already got that knocked out. But in this video, I got to knock out the struts. He want brand new struts all the way around, just like the white one had. So this is another one of those Monte Carlo videos. Let's jump on into it. So here she is again. All right, so the part's gonna be trickling in. You're gonna need a 21 millimeter for the strut bolts at the bottom, and a 15 millimeter for the ones at the top. He ordered from where we always order from, Detroit Axle. So you got the rears and the fronts. And with the rears, make sure you get the sway bar end links, because they do connect to the struts in the back. And you want to change those if you're changing your rear struts. Front struts, you don't need all that. Even though he did order the kit that came with the sway bar end links for the front, but he didn't need them because obviously in a previous video I already changed those when I did his lower control arms and his outer tie rods. But after I do all this, for sure he's going to need to go get a wheel alignment, because now we're about to mess with the, what you call it, the camber or the toe, because we're about to take the struts off and change with new ones in the front and the back. Ain't nothing to it, but he said he loved his car. That's why he wanted to get all this body work done. He wanted to try to do this, get this car done like I've been doing the red car. The major rust repair, patching everything up. Because this is a good motor for some reason. Only 139,000 miles, but it does not leak oil. It does not leak transmission fluid. The whole undercarriage is dry as a bone. Unlike my red beauty over there, which has an oil pan leak. And these cars are hard to do the oil pans, so she's going to be leaking. Probably do some stop leak in there next time I do an oil change. But it is what it is. She ain't leaking. Can't even say the word. But I say, oh, I can't even get it out. She's not leaking very bad. See, I'm trying to use big words. My tongue wouldn't let me get them out. But nope, we got to get these front ones done. Then we got to move on to the back ones. The back one's going to take a little bit longer, just because of those sway bar links and where they located and how to get to it. And I noticed this SS is upside down on this side. Don't know why. And like, is it supposed to be like that? I never seen it like that. It looks kind of funny because it's not like that on the red car. See? So somebody changed that SS sign because they put it on upside down. Yeah, that is upside down. That was kind of funny when I noticed it. But it got almost the same type of rust as the red one had in my rear rockers, but it's a little bit less. But that's for something else. I don't know. I don't want to ramble. Let's just get to work knocking these struts out in the front and in the back.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put it...
Woo! That wasn't too hard. They gave me my mad props over here. I knocked these struts out faster than the shop. But when you go to a shop, they take their sweet time. They get paid by the hour. And I get paid by the minute. But Chris is putting his tire back on this side so we can move on to the rear. And Chris wanted me to show y'all his rear trailing arms. So I can see that one. It's kinked right here, but this is the one I seen where it's kinked in both places, and it has a small hole, rust hole right there, and it's mighty rusty. So at least he had already ordered them. So I just had to slap them on real quick, so y'all see those on the car when we get in the rear end. Cause I've been did that because you got the jack on the other side. Cause something happened where this fender got pushed in, don't know what. So he had me get up under there and get the fender back out. And while I was under there, like I said, I seen the rear trailing arm was bent. And like I said, he already had it. He already had ordered it anyway because he keep ordering parts. So instead of me getting this all done in one video, there's going to be multiple videos of the Monte Carlo SS that I didn't want to save from the scrapper. Like I said, my brother from the other mother, he took over this build. He just gave me the money I paid for it and for picking it up, the gas. And it became his. He in love with this car. He got the windows tinted. Like he about to make this car better than the last one he just had. Like I said, this I don't want to cuss, but this car doesn't drip a goddamn thing. This motor is dry as can be. I never seen a motor so dry. Like somebody took care of this one. Even though they don't got the upgraded elbows. So yeah, they took care of this one. Still got the plastic elbows. Y'all know me, I like to upgrade those elbows to the aluminum ones. Because eventually they do break and crack and you start losing coolant. But this got almost 140,000 miles. And still got the original elbows for the cooling system. See, now he going to the back. He about to start getting the back prep for me. Because in the back, you got to go through the trunk. Y'all remember that. If y'all new to the channel, you got to go through the trunk to get to the top of the struts. But I'll catch y'all when we're ready. So we're on the back side. You got to remove the caliper so you can get to those bolts right there for the nuts. They got a new trailing arm I put on, and they got a trailing arm back it up under there on both sides. Got to unplug the ABS sensor plug when you're doing this side because those are really close. Y'all seen me do this before. Get the sway bar end link off. Had to cut that one. He's on the inside working on that, the very last one all the way in the back, that one bolt all the way in the back that you can't really get nothing on and take you forever to get off. So he working on that on both sides. So that'd be out the way. Like I said, you gotta take this caliper off just so you can get a good swing on those. I think these are 14 millimeter. Sway bar end link is off. And I gotta unplug the ABS from this side. So I don't break it like I did on the red car, but it still works. I ended up gluing I broke the cover of it off, ended up having to glue it back on and plugging it back in because you do not want to have to buy a whole new knuckle if your traction control light is on. So look, he busting his butt over there, y'all. He's kicking his butt. Brother from another mother with a big old belly. He like, oh, his belly hurting. He gonna have scars on his belly. he leaning on his belly, y'all. Like, look, he turning red. Boy, I'm telling you. His hand's starting to swell up. He tried to get this car done. It ain't gonna be done yet. He still gotta do body work and paint. Got some dents and dings all over the place. Still gotta take the front end back apart again, then get that painted, then get everything lined up when it get put back on. Rust repairs. It's gonna be a lot going on with this one. He's still talking about the tail light. Got condensation in it. And like, well, order some new tail lights.
$300. That's why I think it's rusting right here. The water's just running out right now.
So that's why he thinks get a little rust right here, because the water's just running out back there. But I told him, she said pay $300. You heard Miss Valerie over here. She said pay $300 and order some new tail lights. He ordered everything else. He got all the money, y'all. He balling. You heard him. He got stacks on stacks on stacks to put into this Monte Carlo. But we getting her done. So I'm gonna get back at it.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta start.
So before the GoPro go dead, got all that buttoned back up. Got the new sway bar end links on. Got the new struts on. Like I said, we did trailer arms before. Everything back buttoned up. But I forgot when I was struggling with it that you gotta take the inner fender out, the wheel well, so you can get the struts out. That's the only way you can better get it out. Take out the plastic. And I gotta find some more of these for him because his was rotted. So he got to put that tire back on. So I find some more of those studs. I think I got a few of them in the garage. He got all that button up there. He's got to put that, if he wanted to, put these back on there. But I don't think he's going to do that because obviously it was a pain for him just to get those off. How you put these back on where they got to go up under. This probably would have been easier to put this on first, then tighten it down. I don't know. But I usually put them back over and I squeeze them until I pop them back, till they pop back in the little slots. I don't know if they meant for, I guess for noise or water. I don't know. But they up there for a reason. Most cars, you don't see them up there though. But I'm going to knock out this side. And we're going to keep it rocking. That's all I got to say. Everybody's starting to leave. Got to get this car done so I can take a look at my stepson's car. Because his car is dead in the water. It's been sitting over there across the street the whole winter. Somewhere over there. And now it has no crank, no start, no nothing. Ain't getting no juice. So we got to go take a look at it. But I'm going to knock off this other side, get this GoPro charged up, and I catch y'all back. Whoopie-doo. So, like you see on this side, brand new trailing arm as well. So we got sway bar end link on, the strut on. He already done in the trunk, everything buttoned back up. He about to throw this tire back on, and we're going to call this a wrap. He got his new struts on the front, the back, sway bar end links in the back. They go with those brand new struts. Because here's the old ones. This one is worse for wear with the old sway bar end link. That was probably still good. But he said his car was bouncing a lot. Like a basketball. He was hearing it hit a bump. His car be like, I don't know how you describe it, but it's like a basketball. The tire just vibrated on the ground. So hopefully this solves the problem. Changing all the suspension components. Because, like I said, they are old. They probably got the 140,000 miles on them that this car has. Probably never been changed before. But we knocked it all out in an hour, 45 minutes. He timed me. He said it took me an hour, 45 minutes. It took longer in the back because you got more you got to take off than the front. The front's only took me like 20 minutes. But when you're going into the back, you got to take the inner fender off, the caliper off. I got to unplug the ABS sensor, so that's not in the way. Move that pigtail out the way. Then you still got to access your lower sway bar end link so you can get that bolt, the nut off the back of it, which is a pain in the butt. But once you get all that breaking loose or cut off, everything else easy. The longest part is in the trunk because you don't got much space back there. If y'all new to this channel, if you're not, y'all know what I'm talking about. Because I did this before. This is the third car. Y'all didn't see me do it. Because, like I said, family called me the Monte Carlo King. So I knocked these Monte Carlos out. I know them from the front to the back. Anything that's going on with these cars, I can fix it. Because I done tow these cars all the way down to the bare steel and chop them up into little bitty pieces. So if you would, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Give us a thumbs down if you didn't. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we did on this Monte Carlo with repair, with anything. I don't know, putting these struts on, getting it done, for he can have a better, smoother ride. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, and on social media. Be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars locally. And we make trade a car too. There's all links in the description area below. Go follow us on Facebook and Instagram. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!